Milton Erickson and Hypnosis. Miracle. Milton Hyland Erickson American psychiatrist and psychologist specializing in medical hypnosis and family therapy. He is regarded as the greatest hypnotherapist of all time. An alcoholic came to Erickson and said himself have been intoxicated 11 times. Erickson suggested, please go to the botanical garden to see the cacti and admire those can survive for 3 years in the absence of water and rain. Then, reflect on yourself. Many years later, a young girl told Erickson, since you sent my father to the botanical garden, he has never touched alcohol again. Erickson cured the 10-year-old boy's bedwetting by talking about the muscle coordination in baseball, bows, and arrows, and round sphincter movement when the stomach empties food. Erickson was born on 5 December 1901 in the Sierra Nevada mountains. He was the second of 11 children. Erickson was late in learning to speak and had difficulties in reading, which was described as dyslexia. He was also colorblind and tone deaf. At age 17, he contracted polio, which left him with lifelong disabilities. He got a graduate degree in psychology and medicine from the University of Wisconsin. Then he became the chief psychiatrist and professor. Finally, Eric established a private practice office in his home because of his deteriorating physical condition. Influence. At the beginning of the 20th century, clinical hypnosis was formally prohibited in many states. Erickson took a research-based approach in exploring hypnotic phenomena, which helped professional community acceptance of hypnosis. In 1975, Erickson became the founding president of the American Society for Clinical Hypnosis. He also began the American Journal of Clinical Hypnosis, serving as its first editor. From 1958 to 1968. Freud's contribution to psychotherapy is to reveal the unconscious. In comparison, Erickson's contribution lies in therapeutic practice. Erickson is noted for his approach to the unconscious mind as creative and solution-generating. He has greatly influenced brief therapy, strategic family therapy, family systems therapy, solution-focused brief therapy, and neurolinguistic programming, NLP. The great thing about Erickson is that he is very good at mobilizing patients' conscious and unconscious resources. We can see from a story when he was a child, Erickson saw his father pull the bull forward. The bull didn't move. Erickson grabbed the cow's tail and pulled it in the opposite direction, and the cow walked forward obediently. He is genius in hypnosis.